Eric and I are standing in front of the MedCenter 5AX machine. The first thing I saw about this machine is how tiny it is. Eric, can you tell me more?
Yeah, it's a very small footprint, as you say, but very high performance. It's got 30,000 RPM spindle, but only 1200 mil across the front of the machine. It's 60 meters a minute rapid rate, but even more impressive is the 60 meters feed rates that you can have on the machine. And that comes as an option. We're waiting for it to come in at the moment, a 12 pallet loading facility on there.
And it's a really high accuracy machine, isn't it?
Yes, I mean, the guarantee is 2 microns positional accuracy, but the repeatability is 1 micron, so it is exceptionally accurate. I mean, as the name suggests, it is geared for the medical market, but of course, there's a lot of other applications that it could be used for.
Of course. Now, tell me more about that medical market as well. Why is it geared towards that industry?
I think Kitamura saw, even before the COVID problem, a big demand coming up in medical parts that are needed, particularly hip replacement joints or other bone orthopedic type parts. So, they've developed this, which it seems to come at a good time. And we were going to launch it at MAC this year, but of course MAC got postponed, and so
yes, of course.
We're going to take it to Southern Manufacturing, and we've got a lot of projects we're looking at the moment with customers.
So you're going to hit the ground running with this machine?
Well, hopefully, yeah. I think it's definitely going to be a winner. So,
yep, and,
yeah.
And it's ready, available in stock to go?
Yeah, we've got this one in stock. The pallet system arrives next week, but it can be bought as a standalone machine, of course, or the pallet system can be added at a later date, so that's quite flexible, really.
So if you're tight on floor space and you need a nice high precision, high accuracy machine, then this is definitely a machine to consider here from Dugard.